If your skin keeps breaking out and you've tried every cleanser, every serum, every diet change, and nothing sticks, here's what nobody is telling you. Your skin isn't the problem, your gut is, and turmeric repairs it. There's a specific process happening inside your gut right now that is directly causing the inflammation showing up on your face. Once I show you what's actually breaking down and how turmeric targets the exact root cause, you'll understand why treating your skin from the outside has never fully worked, and you'll know exactly what to do instead. Hey, I'm Sarah, and on Nutricision, we break down the real root causes of what's happening inside your body, so you stop chasing symptoms and start fixing the actual source. Because right now, I know exactly what you're doing. You eat well, drink plenty of water, and you have a proper skincare routine, but you're still breaking out, especially around the jaw, chin, and cheeks. It flares up randomly, it never fully clears, and the moment you think it's gone, it comes back. You're not wrong, you're just fixing the wrong thing. Because what's showing up on your skin isn't starting on the skin, it's starting 30 feet away, inside your digestive tract, specifically in the lining of your gut. And until that's repaired, no amount of topical treatment is going to give you the clear, calm skin you're looking for. Here's what's actually happening. Your gut lining is not just a passive tube that food passes through. It's an incredibly sophisticated barrier, a single layer of cells held together by what scientists call tight junctions. These tight junctions act as gatekeepers. They decide what gets absorbed into your bloodstream and what gets kept out. Think of your gut lining like a coffee filter. A perfect filter lets only the clean liquid through into your cup. Nutrients, vitamins, water, the good stuff. But if that filter develops tiny tears and holes, the grounds get through too. And suddenly your coffee, meaning your bloodstream, is full of things that were never supposed to be in there. Undigested food particles, bacterial toxins, a specific toxin called LPS, lipopolysaccharide, which is essentially the outer wall of harmful gut bacteria. When LPS gets into your bloodstream, your immune system panics. It triggers a full-body inflammatory response, and your body pushes that inflammation to the most visible place possible, your skin. Redness, cystic acne, uneven texture, dullness, flare-ups that seem to come from nowhere. This is what scientists call intestinal hyperpermeability, or leaky gut, and it is one of the most well-documented but least talked about drivers of chronic skin inflammation. This is why your cleanser doesn't fix it. This is why cutting dairy helps a little but never fully works. This is why you'll clear up for 2 weeks and then break out again, because every time your gut lining is still compromised, the cycle restarts. And here's what makes this worse over time. The more those tight junctions stay loose, the more LPS keeps flooding in. The more LPS floods in, the more your immune system stays in a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation. And chronic inflammation doesn't just affect your skin, it starts affecting your joints, your energy, your mood, your hormones. Your skin is just the first place it shows up visibly. So the question is, what actually repairs that gut lining? What reseals those tight junctions and stops the leak? This is where turmeric does something remarkable. And I want to be specific here, because it's not turmeric itself that does the work. It's the active compound inside it called curcumin. Here's what curcumin does to your gut lining. First, curcumin directly reduces gut inflammation. It works by blocking a molecule called nuclear factor kappa B, which is essentially the master switch for inflammation in your body. When curcumin inhibits nuclear factor kappa B, it turns down the inflammatory signal that was keeping your gut lining in a state of damage. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients found that curcumin significantly reduced gut inflammation markers and improved intestinal barrier function in subjects with leaky gut. Second, curcumin actively helps rebuild the tight junctions. It upregulates the proteins, specifically occludin and claudin-1, that hold those gut lining cells together. Remember that coffee filter with the tears in it? Curcumin is what repairs the filter. It patches those holes back up, fiber by fiber, so only the right things pass through again. And once that filter is working properly, LPS stops leaking into your bloodstream. Your immune system stands down, and the inflammation that was showing up on your face goes away. Third, curcumin is a potent antioxidant. Once your gut is healing, curcumin also helps neutralize the free radicals that were damaging your skin cells from the inside out. This is why people report not just fewer breakouts, but improved skin texture, reduced redness, and a more even tone. Because you're healing the source and clearing the damage at the same time. How to actually take it. This is critical because most people take turmeric the wrong way and get almost none of the benefit. Curcumin on its own has extremely poor bioavailability. Your body absorbs very little of it, but there's a simple fix. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo. 2,000%. Aim to take between 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin extract per day, standardized to at least 95% curcuminoids, taken with a meal that contains healthy fat, avocado, olive oil, nuts, because curcumin is fat soluble. Make sure your supplement contains black pepper extract or piperine. I've already linked the one I recommend down in the description, so you don't have to go hunting for it. Take it with your largest meal, ideally lunch or dinner. Morning on an empty stomach is the one time you want to avoid it. More on that in a second. Within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use, most people start noticing less inflammation, less redness, and fewer breakouts. Not because you put anything on your skin, but because you repaired what was driving the inflammation from the inside. Turmeric is one of the most powerful tools for repairing your gut lining and calming skin inflammation. But it works best when your gut microbiome is also being rebuilt at the same time, because resealing the barrier without rebalancing the bacteria is like patching a wall while the damage is still happening behind it. Real, lasting skin clarity, the kind that doesn't keep cycling back, comes from a full gut reset, not just one piece of it. That's why I put together a 7-day gut reset protocol specifically designed for women dealing with skin issues, bloating, and chronic inflammation. It combines the right ingredients in the right sequence to repair your gut lining, rebalance your microbiome, and give your skin the internal environment it needs to actually stay clear. You can download it using the link below. It's free, it's step-by-step, and it takes less than 10 minutes a day to follow. Before you go, one important thing. Turmeric on an empty stomach can cause nausea, stomach irritation, and acid reflux in some people, which is the opposite of what we're trying to do. Always take it with food and fat. And if you're on blood thinners, anticoagulant medications, or have gallbladder issues, talk to your doctor first. Curcumin can interact with those conditions. More isn't more here. Start at 500 milligrams, see how your body responds, and work up gradually. Now that you know what's driving the inflammation, watch this next video where I show you what apple cider vinegar does to your gut bacteria and why it's one of the fastest ways to stop sugar cravings at the source.